Hey guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hey guys, good morning. We're going to start stripping this car down today.
The stainless trim on the rocker panel can just be removed by grabbing the bottom and pulling up. There are several nuts on the inside of the quarter panel that need to be removed in order to get the side molding off. There are 3 closest to the door and 3 back in the trunk section that hold on the long quarter panel section. There are also 4 that hold the rock guard on for the lower part of the quarter, and the garnish molding is held on by 2 other nuts as well.
See those screws, you got to get those off. And there's one right back up in there too. And that's what holds the side on. And then you got to get back in the trunk back here. Let me show you. And you've got to get, let's see, those right there. That one off, that one off. This rear one off right back here. There it is. Those all have to come off, and then that side needs to come off.
Once all the nuts are removed, take a couple of screwdrivers and carefully pry the molding away from
pretty easy.
Okay, this is a good time to like, share, and subscribe.
This is the table full of pieces and parts that we got off today. All this stainless stuff we will go through. I think most of it we'll be able to use again. Believe it or not, this stuff can be salvaged as long as it's not dented or creased. There is a pretty good way. In fact, let me show you right here. This is well, more to be done. This is the original side piece that came off, and I worked it up. It had a huge dent right there, and I have worked on it kind of in my spare time the last couple of days. And you can see I have gotten all the dents out of it, and it is pretty straight. So that's an original piece. It needs to be polished again, but that's pretty good. It had a couple of pretty big places in it. This is its counterpart right here. I've gone through and done some of the same things to it. Major dents are out, but I haven't gone through and taken every little thing out of that one yet. But you can see kind of the process on that. So that stuff will straighten up quite a bit. It's expensive, so if you can straighten what you've got, you'll save quite a bit of money. This one piece right here, I don't know if you can see that, it's got some really bad spots in it, and this unfortunately is probably the most expensive piece on the car. That's the quarter panel piece that comes all the way down. it's straight, it might. You know, I'll work on it and see what I can get done, and maybe it'll come back around. It's pretty thick stainless. The good news is that it's really thick stainless, so some of the side pieces are very thin, and if you go to grinding on them very much with the files, you'll go right through them. We're going to fix those, not fix, but keep those. Those are the kick panels down by your feet as the driver and passenger in the front seat. Those are cardboard, but they're again great for a template. I'm keeping all of the pieces that come out of the windows, and that just to use as templates. These are stainless steel, but they are little thresholds as you come in the doors, and they do not hold up very well. You can't. I've never seen anybody reuse them. You just rebuy them. That's all you can do. In fact, a lot of the bolts or the screws that were holding those in did not come out. You can see they're still there. I've got to grind all of those out. Some of these I had to grind out here to get some of these pieces out. They just won't move, so you got to get the grinder out. You've got to try your best as delicately as possible to get it apart. And then once you get it apart, you can re-drill some holes and make it work. But that's it. Day one, or I guess this is about day 5. More demo.